It's probably relevant for us to talk a little bit about why we've built the cookie calendar the way we have. If you're like me, your kids' stuff clutters up your own personal calendar, and it's hard to tell what you own and what is your kids' responsibility. By building the cookie calendar as not a calendar sync, by breaking the calendar and the family's calendar down into the parts by each member of your cookie family, then we can start to put soccer schedules on the relevant child's calendar, football schedules on the relevant child's calendar. And then once the parents have time to figure out what the logistics need to be, then you can build back up or look at different views to determine who needs to take what child where and when. So that's why it's really important to understand how to set these cookie calendars up so that you can optimize how you manage your family. Now I want to show you around your cookie calendar. Since you've already been into the settings, you may have noticed that your personal email address is the one that you signed up with. Your cookie email address is a system generated email address that's only used for your cookie calendaring purposes. So let's say I'm sitting at work and I just scheduled a flight for a conference that I'm going to, and I want to make that flight visible to my family so that they know when I'm going, when I'm back, and what flight I'm on. I simply add this cookie email address or have my assistant add this cookie email address as an invitee to the calendar invite, and you save it like you would any other calendar invite. Just like that, it will show up on your cookie calendar and it will now be visible to your entire cookie family. What's really important to note, and I'm going to take you back into the settings, is that under each person in your cookie family, we have these permitted email addresses. And the reason that we did that, we've basically created a white labeling system so that you can't get spammed on your cookie fam email address. So what we've done is your personal email will default to the settings, and then you just go in and add any other email addresses that are permitted to send to your cookie family calendar. It's as simple as that. Once you get into the hang of this, it will be so easy for you to make individual things visible to your family so that you don't have to forget when you get home, and communication can be seamless.